The solar shadow generator produces geometry that represents the boundaries of solar shadows at a given time, allowing the solar impact to be definitively evaluated at any moment of time. By generating the shadow geometry for a proposed design at specific times, you can determine and accurately present the impact that new structures will have on others' access to daylight. Date, time, and location for the project can be first set in Light Manager in Solar Position Settings tab. To use Shadow Generator tool, go to Utilities section and select Shadow Generator. In Solar Shadow Generator dialog, choose the settings like Accuracy or Output Mode, Outline or Volume. For the level and color, you can set Active Level or Shadowing Element attributes. Click OK. The shadow geometry is generated in the active model in a graphic group as an outline. If you select Volume Output Mode, the application will produce a surface that represents the outer limits of the shadows with defined transparency.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.